Allama Iqbal, whose full name is Muhammad Iqbal, was a renowned philosopher, poet and politician in British India who is widely regarded as one of the most important figures in Urdu literature. He was born on November 9, 1877, in Sialkot, which is now in Pakistan, and he passed away on April 21, 1938. One with strength, courage, and a resolute mind, conquer the peaks of the universe. To the flame of your own being is higher than all fires. Why should you fear a spark? 3. Rise above sectional interests and private ambitions. Pass from matter to spirit. Matter is diversity. Spirit is light, life, unity. 4. Be aware of your own worth. Use all of your power to achieve it. 5. The secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you. 6. People who have no hold over their process of thinking are likely to be ruined by liberty of thought. 7. The strength of character does not lie in wealth, power, or physical strength, but in the ability to control one's desires and emotions. Qurries selfhood is the foundation of all knowledge, everything else is a branch of it. 9. The individual who is not rooted in their culture is like a tree without roots. 10. Nations are born in the hearts of poets. They prosper and die in the hands of politicians.